Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Future Simple Tense. This is the review lesson, Lecture 13. Let's discuss about the topic. Affirmative or positive form of sentence. We have the subjects like he, she, it, and singular noun. We have some more subjects like I, we, you, they, and plural noun. Whatever is your subject, whether it is in the singular form or whether it is in the plural form, we use will or shall plus the first form of the root form of the verb, and then we use object or other words. See the examples. He will close the door. She will open the box. It, for cat here, will eat fish. Tom will drive a car. We have some more examples. I or we will drink juice. You will go to college. They will eat fish. Boys will play games. Now we continue to the next. Negative form of sentence of future simple tense. And what's the structure? We have the subjects the same like he, she, it, singular noun. We have some more subjects I, we, you, they, plural noun. Whatever the subjects we have, whether in singular or plural form, the negative form we use will not, and the short form is won't, or shall not, and the short form is shan't. You can use any one of them. Meanings remain the same, but I will use will not or won't most of the time. And then we have first form of the verb, root form of the verb, and then we have objects or other words. See the examples. He won't close the door. She won't open the box. It, for cat, won't eat fish. Tom won't drive a car. We have some more examples. I or we won't drink juice. You won't go to college. They won't eat fish. Boys won't play games. We move on to the next. That is interrogative or question form of sentence of future simple tense. In the question, will or shall will come before the subjects like he, she, it, singular noun, I, we, you, they, and plural noun. Then we use the first form of the verb, that is to say, the root form of the verb. And then we have objects or other words. And of course, question mark. See the examples. Will he drink juice? Will she go to college? Will it, for cat, eat fish? Will Tom drive a car? We have some more examples. Will I or we drink juice? Will you go to college? Will they eat fish? Will boys play games? So these are interrogative or question forms. We move on to the next. We have interrogative sentence with question words like what, how, when, why, etc. In this case, question words will come first. After that, will or shall. Then we have subjects like he, she, it, singular noun. Then we have some more subjects I, we, you, they, and plural noun. And of course, we have to use the first form of a root form of them. And then we have objects or other words, and for sure question mark. Let's see the examples. Why will he drink juice? How will she go to college? When will it happen? Where will Tom drive a car? We have some more examples. Why will I or we drink juice? How will you go to college? When will they eat fish? And when will boys play games? So the question words will come first. After that we have will or shall, and then we have subjects. Now we move on to the usage of future simple tense. And the first point is to predict an action or event which happens in future. Let's see the examples. He will go to London next week. She will finish cooking in an hour. You will meet your friend in the office. And boys will play games after some time. So what we notice is that an action simply is likely to happen in future. We have usage of future simple tense, and the second point is to express willingness at the time of speaking. Let's see the examples. Don't worry, I will carry bag for you at the time of speaking. Be seated, she will open the window. Next, which size do you want, medium or large? I will have large. Wait, he will bring water for you. What we notice here is that the structure is in the future simple tense, but the meaning is reflected at the time of speaking, at the present moment. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.